Have you opened WhatsApp and suddenly found that it isn't working? Maybe messages won't, send calls won't connect, or the app simply won't load. If WhatsApp appears to be unavailable in your country in 2026, there are a few things you should check first because, honestly, the problem isn't always a ban. Sometimes it's a temporary outage, a network issue, or a problem with the app itself. So in this video, I'll show you what to do if WhatsApp is not working in your country. First, check whether WhatsApp is experiencing a service outage because occasionally, large platforms experience technical problems that affect millions of users. If that's the case, the best solution is simply to wait until service is restored. Now, another thing to check, your internet connection. Try opening a website, watching a video, or using another messaging app. If nothing loads, the issue may be your network rather than WhatsApp itself. Now, let's talk about app updates, because an outdated version of WhatsApp can sometimes create connection problems. Open your App Store, search for WhatsApp, and install any available updates. Then restart the app. Now, another useful step, restart your phone, because honestly, this simple fix solves many temporary software issues. Just restart the device, open WhatsApp again, and see if the problem is resolved. Now, let's discuss regional restrictions, because some countries may limit or restrict certain online services. If local regulations affect WhatsApp availability, it's important to review official announcements from government, agencies, mobile carriers, or WhatsApp itself. This helps you understand exactly what's happening and whether the issue is temporary or long-term. Now, another option, consider alternative communication platforms, because if a service becomes unavailable, friends and family may still be reachable through SMS, email, or other messaging services that are available in your region. Now, something very important, be cautious of websites or videos claiming they can instantly unlock blocked services, because many of them are scams or may ask for personal information. Always use trusted and official sources when looking for updates. Now, let's be honest for a second. Most WhatsApp connection problems are usually caused by internet issues, app bugs, outages, or outdated software rather than permanent restrictions. So before assuming the worst, check the basics first. So to wrap this up, if WhatsApp isn't working in your country in 2026, check for outages, verify your internet connection, update the app, restart your phone, review official announcements, and stay informed through trusted sources, because honestly, those simple steps solve most WhatsApp problems much faster than people expect.